Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anohita and today's video is based on a one brand makeup tutorial, and this is the makeup that I have done. It's a very simple and yes, the eyeshadow is a bit detailing, but the base is very simple, very light, and the brand that I'll be only using today is Wet n Wild. And I must say this brand is quite favorite of mine because I really like the product range, the quality of the product, and it's kind of affordable too. Let's get into the video, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first I am starting off with my Wet n Wild Dewy Focus primer, and this primer is one of my personal favorite because this gives almost a very dewy finish. Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation is in the shade Golden Beige. The formula of this foundation is very dense. I only take a little bit of the foundation, spray it on my hands and spray it onto my face using my fingers. And then I use my Cuffs and Lashes foundation brush to blend it all into my face. I always like to start with a little bit of a foundation so that I can build if it's needed to, and my face does not look much cakey, rather my makeup looks more natural. And now I will be using my Mars Beauty blender to give it all a good blend and make sure that there's no harsh strokes or uneven foundation spots. Now I will be going with my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. I prefer taking minimum of the concealer so that I can start building up if it's necessary. Using my concealer buffing brush, I start blending my concealer near my eyes. I suggest using a brush whenever you are blending the concealer near your eyes because that gives you a better control. Right now I don't have any face setting spray from Wet n Wild, so I used mine from Faces Canada and I dabbed it using a beauty sponge. Now moving on with my Wet n Wild brow pencil. So it has a pencil and on the other side there's a spoolie. So first I start creating very thin hair-like strokes in the front and getting more dense at the end of my brows, and I blend them using the spoolie side. Now, so that my brows are set in one place, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow Gel. Now moving on with my favorite item in this makeup is the bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I always prefer rubbing off a little bit on the bronzer on my hand so that it's not too harsh on my face. Going off with my favorite blush, that is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's a beautiful shade that will complement every single Indian skin tones, and I dab it onto my cheeks and especially highlighting my cheekbones. Using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in the shade Nude Awakening, first I will be going with the transition shade and to give a very definition to my crease, and I will be only focusing it on the crease and moving with this deep maroon shade. I start blending it and packing it at the outer corner of my eyes. I'm trying to create a very soft cut crease. Using a flat eyeshadow blending brush, I go with this off-white shade to highlight my inner corners. Now I use another flat brush and take this shimmer shade to do the inner corners, and now I did my other eyes too. Moving on with my highlighter, it's from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petal. It's a very beautiful highlighter, rather I can say it's kind of a dupe for the Becca highlighter in the shade Pop Champagne or Champagne Pop, I don't know. My staple lip liner, that is the Maybelline lip liner in the shade Chestnut. It's a beautiful brown lip liner and I absolutely love the formula. It's so creamy and literally glides onto your lips. Okay, so now the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick. It's in the shade Sandstorm, and I must say the shade, just look at it, how beautiful is it, and it will literally complement every single Indian skin tone. So this is the final makeup look, and I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys like the makeup. So that was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be trying creating more such videos based on one brand makeup tutorial, and I really myself enjoyed shooting this video and hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys find it helpful, and please do comment your reviews, your feedback, your opinions, and please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get to know every time I post a video.